Setting up a new computer usually means leaving your local AI configuration behind. While Claude stays synced to your account online, your localized memories, custom plugins, and Cowork sessions are stored on your hard drive, not in the cloud. Moving these files manually ensures your new installation retains the specific preferences and project context you've established over time. By the end of this process, your workspace will function exactly as it did on your old machine. You will need both PCs, a USB drive with at least 16 gigabytes of space, or a synced cloud folder, and your cloud account login details. This migration takes about 30 to 60 minutes, most of which is spent waiting for files to copy. It is the most reliable way to preserve your project history when switching hardware. We start on your old computer. It is critical that Claude is completely inactive before you touch any data. If the app is running, Windows will lock your memory and session files, causing the copy to fail or the data to become unreadable on the new machine. Close the app, then open your Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape. Look for any process named Claude. Right-click it and select End Task to ensure the database is fully released. While we can copy your local files, we cannot copy your secure connections to external services like Slack or Google Drive. These integrations use security tokens that are tied to your specific hardware. Open Claude one last time to view your connectors or MCP settings. Take a screenshot or write down every active service. You will need to reauthorize these manually once the transfer is complete. Once you have your list, quit the app again. With the program fully closed and your integrations documented, the data is ready to be moved. To find the core data, you need to see hidden system folders. In File Explorer, go to the View menu and ensure Hidden Items is checked. Type %appdata% in the address bar. Copy the Claude folder holding your skills, plugins, and transcripts to your USB drive, renamed Claude Backup Old PC. Then type %userprofile%\documents for your actual work files. Find the Claude folder here, which holds your project documents and workspace settings, and copy it to your USB drive. Rename this second backup Claude Projects Backup. By copying both the app data configuration and the documents folder, you have secured the entirety of your local AI environment. You can now move the USB drive to the new PC. Now switch to your new computer. Download a fresh copy of the Claude desktop app and sign in. As soon as you are logged in, fully quit the app and check the Task Manager to make sure no Claude processes are running. This initial sign-in forces Windows to create the empty folders we need. We are going to replace those empty folders with your backed up data. Navigate back to %appdata% on this new machine. You will see a new, nearly empty Claude folder. Rename it to Claude-fresh-install-backup. This is your safety net in case you need to revert. Open your USB drive and find your Claude Backup Old PC folder. Copy the Claude folder from inside it and paste it into the App Data roaming directory. Next, copy the Claude Projects Backup folder from your USB drive and paste it into the new PC's Documents folder. Rename it back to simply Claude so the application can find your project files. By placing your old data into these specific pathways, you've effectively replaced the blank installation with your established workspace. When you open Claude, you'll notice that while your history is back, your live integrations like Slack or Gmail are disconnected due to the security protocols we discussed earlier. Reference the list you made on your old PC. Go to Settings, then Connectors, and sign back into each service. This generates new security tokens for this specific machine. Once these services say connected, your fully migrated environment has full access to its external tools once again. To verify the transfer, open a past project and ask Claude a question about a previous session. It should be able to recall those specific details from the local memory files you moved. Confirm that your sidebar shows your full session history and that any custom skills or plugins you installed are listed in the settings menu. Keep your USB backup for at least 2 weeks. Once you are confident that every project and session is accessible, you can safely delete the Fresh Install Backup folder we created earlier. You've successfully moved your localized data to a new machine, ensuring your established workflow remains intact without having to rebuild your project context from scratch.